Alright, just a bit of quietness there for 2 seconds, right?
So today is a huge opportunity for you to see what can happen and what is happening throughout the country. So make sure that you have everything in order. The car is properly taxed, properly insured, you have a driving licence, and you have some accompanied driver with you, okay? Go out there, enjoy driving. It's a great thrill, it's a great pleasure and great freedom. But I suppose for the girls, I've one message to you. If you're in the car with the boys and they're acting a fool, they're speeding up, they're showing off, you've got responsibility yourself as well, alright? If you're not happy with what's going on in the car, ask the stop that you want to get out, okay? To the boys, one clear message. Look, it's not like a video game. It's not like an Xbox. You don't get a second chance. You know, you've got to respect that you can drive these cars, but it's predominantly male drivers that are being killed. Don't be stupid. Respect all the rules and regulations that are there, and you'll be fine, alright? Best luck to you and listen to what's been said today, alright? Thank you.
One of them has a safety belt on, one of them hasn't a safety belt on. Alright? Can you see the bullet on the windscreen there, the spider's web? That's where the casualty has hit his head off the windscreen here and has got a bad head injury. Unresponsive, okay? Which means he's not breathing, okay? He's no pulse and he's got to be got out of the car as fast as he can. So the advanced paramedics have to call him for further help to get him out. Even though he's unresponsive, lads, right? They're still trying to protect his neck, okay? Just in case that they do maybe break his neck on the way out, okay? Alright, so they're still protecting his neck. He is unresponsive. They need to get him onto the ground fast and start seizing out. No pulse, yes. Right. So they're checking for a pulse, okay? Has he got a pulse?
No pulse,
no pulse, okay?
From this side,
here. They start the chest compressions. So they're compressing his heart and trying to push the blood up to the brain, okay? And they're going to start breathing from now. They're going to put on the defibrillator.
And clear. Go clear, clear to head, everyone clear.
No shock at all.
Okay, what you see here, the advanced paramedics have to putting in a breathing tube for him, okay? Alright, and they're going to breathe for the patient as well. Okay, plugs into the patient, trying to get the heart back going.
Okay.
Shock at
Alright, they cannot revive the patient, okay? So now the patient is dead.
Okay. Alright, let's get the top. You dropped him or something.
Just keep on that.
No. Nice, easy. That's why she wouldn't go. Take the glass out of the car to make it safe for the firefighters, because we cut the car with glass intact. The glass was just showered everybody. So we're controlling the breakage of the glass. For the lads now, we're going to cut the roof off the car and take the roof off. But if we do that with the glass intact, the glass will actually shower all over the place and we contaminate us and the casualties. People get up here today to take up.
And as Don said earlier on there, be careful when you're in cars. If you don't feel safe if somebody's not driving, is driving recklessly, get out of that car. You have only one life, lads. Alright? One life, and just respect it. That's all we say for today. Alright, thanks very much. Okay.